This is the center of our factory, the QC department. This is our manager, Mr. Lin. So Mr. Lin will invite us to see the whole department.
那现在应该介绍一下，这边就是一个防疫机。那么我们所有生产的基础都是要经过这防疫的工具来进行检测，来确认它产品是否合格跟不良。那么这个时候我们就会进行挑选。
Okay. Our company has bought a lot of printers. We are going to test every models according to the customers, the needs of the customers, so we can make sure the quality we make is the best. So you can see that they are thin. For some big printers. We'll pick some printers to the production line to test the quality. These machines are some old machines. Okay, so thanks, Mr. Lee. Thanks for your helping. Okay. So now we are going to see our package department.